could say we learned a thing or two. It's been a wild ride. From the forests of Washington to the deserts of Moab, we've been wheeling our Jeeps to prove our suspension systems are the best all-around performance upgrades you can get. It's no wonder Jeep owners turn to JKS to redefine what it means to drive a true dual-purpose Jeep. With our American-made track bars, sway bar disconnects, coilover conversions, control arms, and full-on lift systems, we are proud to be serving the Jeep industry for 30 years.